your help. I place all the product links in the description. The Samsonite Andante 2-wheeled rolling duffel bag, River Rock Black 32-inch, is the perfect bag for travelers who are looking for a durable, spacious, and convenient bag for their travels. Samsonite is a well-known brand that has been producing high-quality luggage for over 100 years. The Andante 2-wheeled rolling duffel bag is one of their latest offerings that combines style, function, and durability. Design and construction, it's durable and can withstand wear and tear. The bag features a river rock and black color scheme that is both stylish and practical. The bag measures 32 inches in length, making it perfect for travelers who need a lot of space for their belongings. The bag has a spacious main compartment that is easy to access, thanks to its U-shaped opening. The compartment is roomy enough to hold several outfits, shoes, and toiletries. There are also two side pockets that provide additional storage space for small items, such as keys, wallets, and passports. The bag is equipped with two inline skate wheels that make it easy to maneuver on different surfaces. The wheels are sturdy and can handle the weight of the bag with ease. The bag also has a telescoping handle that can be adjusted to different heights, depending on the user's preference. The handle is comfortable to hold and provides a firm grip when pulling the bag. Features: the bag comes with several features that make it a great travel companion. One of the standout features is its multiple carrying options. The bag can be carried by hand using the top handles or by shoulder, using the adjustable shoulder strap. The shoulder strap is padded for comfort and can be detached when not in use. The bag also features a bottom panel that is reinforced with plastic for added durability. This panel protects the bag from wear and tear when it is placed on rough surfaces. The bag also has a back strap that can be used to secure it to a larger suitcase or trolley. Conclusion: overall, a great bag for travelers who need a lot of space and durability. The bag is made from high-quality materials, features multiple carrying options, and is equipped with several convenient features that make it easy to use. The bag is also stylish and comes in a color scheme that is both practical and fashionable. If you are looking for a reliable and stylish bag for your travels, the bag is definitely worth considering.